to our MC. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga po. Good morning. Una-una, mainit na pagbati po sa mga directors ng Philippine College of Surgeons Cancer Commission Foundation, sa mga miyembro ng National Integrated Cancer Control Council, at sa mga presidente ng medical institutions, kasama na po yung aking college batchmate na si Dr. Juvie Villaflor, mga presidente ng medical organizations at patients groups. Palakpakan naman po natin kayong lahat. Pinapaabot ko rin po ang pagbati kina nauna lang nakaalis na sa akin, Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte, my mayor, kay Health Secretary Ted Erbosa, whom I know is with us in spirit this morning, sa bagong talagang at mabuhay siya, PhilHealth President and CEO Dr. Edwin Mercado, Sir. At isa sa mga magigiting na cancer conquerors, papakinig lamang natin sa kanya, si Ms. Melissa De Leon Joseph. Tunay na mabuhay kayo. And of course, my seatmate this morning, my beloved friend, Cara Magsanok Alikpala. Mabuhay ka, Cara. I'd like to thank everyone present here today. I know it will sound strange to some, but I am happy that we are talking about cancer. Strange because it's so hard to talk about. How does a doctor even break the news of a cancer diagnosis to a patient? How does the patient's family even talk about what happens next? And Miss Melissa just told us her story of those lived questions. How does one even console someone who just got diagnosed with cancer? And I just told Miss Cara how my college barkada went through that with one of our members. Oo nga, strange. Pero like the Philippine National Cancer Summit, that we can learn to treat not just cancers of people, but cancers of society. Kabilang na dito ang presyo ng pagpapagamot. Tinalakay din ni Miss Melissa. Ang sakit-sakit talaga sa puso. Ang laki ng gastos sa cancer treatment. Para bang nakaka-high blood pa. Hirap rin naman makahanap ng pondo ang gobyerno para sa treatment ng cancer. Huwag lang ma-raid ang pondo ng PhilHealth, ano po. Buti na lang rin at naipasa ang National Integrated Cancer Control Act kasama ni na Ms. Cara at ninyong lahat at ng inyong mga organisasyon. At kabilang din po ako sa umakda at naghulma ng pinal na version sa Bicameral Conference Committee. Salamat po mga kasama. Natutuwa na rin ako na ang Z-package ng PhilHealth na ginagamit para sa treatment ng ilang cancers ay nag-improve na. Pero dapat makover rin nito ang iba pang mga uri ng cancer at sa mas mataas na halaga o value. Palakpakan po natin ang PhilHealth at ang kanyang bagong talagang President CEO, si Dr. Mercado. But our resources, limited as they are, should not be focused solely on cancer treatment. Funding must also be provided to support research, on early detection, as Ms. Melissa pointed out, and on new types of treatments which are accessible and affordable for all. Dahil alam naman po natin na prevention is better than cure. At para sa ilang uri ng cancers, kung hindi man lahat, early detection ang susi para sa matagumpay na treatment. Marami pa po tayong kailangang gawin at gamutin, lalo na pagdating sa ating dapat universal healthcare system. Pero unti-unti, nakikita naman natin na kahit papaano bumubuti ang ating kalagayan. At kung magtuloy-tuloy ito at dapat magtuloy-tuloy sa tulong na rin ng gobyerno, medical institutions, medical organizations, patients groups at private sector, I am sure we will be able to excise at least one of our nation's cancers. Muli, marami pong salamat sa inyo at tunay na mabuhay po kayong lahat.